Yo, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you a few tips and tricks to buy houses in any market, anytime, and from home. 2021 version. Let's go. My name is Raul Fan. I help you start, get that first deal, or scale up to 5 deals per month, virtually finding off-market properties from home or from anywhere in the world. It's pretty cool what we've been doing in our virtual wholesale business, and it's going to be a little bit of a humble brag, but I don't want you guys to take it the right way. I want you guys to use this as inspiration to see that anyone can freaking do this. Now, we've been opening up different markets. We're from South Florida. We've been buying houses in Georgia, Alabama, different areas that honestly, we started there with no connections, no realtors, no boots on the ground, no employees there. I didn't know a single soul in a lot of these states that we're in, not one person. And we're still getting deals off market at 40 to 50 cents on the dollar. This just shows me that if you have a certain set of skills, systems, and processes, you can achieve this in the same thing. And if you could buy these houses for yourself or for investment, it could be pretty lucrative for you. What do I mean by these sales and systems? So I'm gonna get into a couple ways that you could do this and implement if you wanna get into investment real estate, buy off market houses. Let's go. Now, before we get into that, I just wanna share with you our average acquisitions agent, our average salesperson on our team. So salesperson, someone who gets on the phone with a homeowner and asks them if they wanna sell their house and closes the deal, offers them a price for their house. That our average age in our current team is 26 years old. That means that we have 26-year-old young men, young men and women calling and closing deals over the phone. Now, let me ask you something. Do you think with 26 years old, yes, you can have a level of mastery if you started young and all this. However, I'm saying this because not that age is a factor that 26-year-olds don't do well in sales, but it's just to show you that anyone, if 26-year-olds, 21-year-olds can close deals over the phone at 40, 50%, you can as well. If you follow the same framework, if you follow a good framework. Now, what are some of the proven systems that you can implement so that you can get more deals? Number one, you gotta have a script that you follow over the phone and your salespeople follow over the phone. What do I mean by this? Talking to homeowners in a different area than you are sometimes can feel intimidating for you, but it also feels a little weird for them. The biggest hump in virtual real estate that I've seen that some homeowners can't get over is, yeah, I get that you want to buy over the phone, but you're not like in my backyard. Like you can't drive here, so it's weird, you know? And there's certain ways, those are what we call, those are objections. There's certain ways to overcome this and get across that hump into the other side. Now, that is something you have to practice, but just follow a script and a system. That's number one in the sales side. Number two, a simple implementable system that you can do is when you close deals over the phone, it's more effective that we found to do what we call a two-call close. Meaning, you get on the phone the first time, you have a nice conversation with them, following that script. You don't give them the price on this call. You say, hey, listen, I gathered everything. I don't want to mess this offer up for you. I really have to look into it to see if it's a good fit for us and for you. So why don't we schedule a call in an hour and in front of your computer, and let's go over all the stuff we come up with. That, my friend, will give you the best chance of closing an off-market deal. So, and the last step, step 3, is marketing. If you cannot pay for a lead and accurately know how much it's costing you to get a homeowner that wants to sell, you do not have a business. Therefore, you will eventually either die or remain very, very stagnant. And that's not gonna even be worth it. It's just like not even being in business. So guys, follow those 3 frameworks. It's absolutely doable to get this freaking business off the ground and making you money wholesaling real estate. So I appreciate your time. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.